It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Here we go with day 6. I'm going to say thread. I hope nothing in here is glass because that was a little aggressive. Wrong. Oh my gosh, what am I even thinking? But these are so adorable. That's what I'm thinking. Look at those things. They're tiny and fabulous. Look at the little scallops along the finger holes. Oh my gosh. It does have a cover because I'm assuming this baby's going to be, well, it's not too sharp. It is a little stabby, but it's not too sharp. But that'll keep them from opening up in your bags. Hello. I love it. Not thread, but just as good.